Hey everyone, Terry here with HVAC Maintenance and Supplies, or mainsupplies.com. Just going to talk a little bit today again about Freon leaks, because it is such a big problem. A lot of your systems now are the 410A type refrigerant, which the old ones were R22. So it can make a lot of the Freon leak repair seal kits out on the market a little bit of a challenge, installing those in for the technicians. So one of the things AC Easy Seal came out with is a new product called Direct Inject, and this has made the process for technicians quite a bit simpler. It's basically just a small tube here that is filled with the sealant. Pretty simple to put on compared to the other ones. The other types, you always had to pump your system down, make sure your suction pressure was lower than 60 pounds. Which again, with 410A could be a challenge, because it tends to run a higher pressure. So this real simple system here, you take this injection tube out of here, you go ahead and just screw it right onto your suction side, and then you simply take a refrigeration hose to your one side of the valve here. You can either use your suction line or your liquid line. Worst case scenario, you could just use one single hose without the gauges if you absolutely had to, and come back around to the liquid line. So in our case, we're going to use the gauges. We're going to put our liquid line on there, our actual refrigerant line, the yellow one, and then we'll hook our liquid line up over to the liquid line side. And we'll go ahead and purge both those lines by just bleeding out the air a little bit. Bleed each one of them out a little bit. And then the process is fairly simple. You basically just start your air conditioner, and what you're going to do, you're having both of these closed right now. Obviously my suction line isn't hooked to anything, and I'm basically going to crack the liquid line open a little bit, and what that's going to do is push through and push the sealant right into the system. And again, you want to be careful and monitor it real slow into there. You don't want to just put a big slug of liquid in there, because you could damage the compressor. So you're just cracking that open a little bit till you see the site of the sealant go into the system. Again, quick and easy, it goes right in there. It doesn't matter what the pressure is on the suction side, because your discharge side will always be higher. Alternatively, if I didn't have the gauges, I could always just put this valve directly to here and then meter it in with this, but that can be risky because you do want to be seeing how much pressure you're actually monitoring in there. So again, another alternative is the AC Easy Seal Direct Inject. Resolves a lot of the problems of worrying about how low your suction pressure is and doing the pump down. You can find this on our website, mainsupplies.com. Again, don't forget, on our YouTube channel, HVAC Maintenance, check out all our other videos. Also, real important, we have our air conditioning maintenance kits as always. Coil cleaner, coating, the pan tablets, the brush, the fin comb. We have a different basic, we have a deluxe, and we have a standard kit, depending on how much you want to spend and how much you think you need. Always a good idea to just do a standard maintenance every year, if not twice a year, depending where you're located on your air conditioning, on your air conditioner. So again, air conditioning maintenance kits, mainsupplies.com. Hope this helps out. We'll see you next time.